Hyperpigmentation face mask. When our skin produces too much melanin, hyperpigmentation may occur, which manifests in darker parts of the skin. Why the melanin production increases? The common causes are prolonged exposure to UV rays, acne, and skin inflammation. While there are conventional methods of hyperpigmentation treatment, you can also try a natural remedy that has long been used in India and some other Asian countries: turmeric. Turmeric heals wounds, reduces inflammation, and fights skin diseases. It can also brighten skin, which is helpful in the case of hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation face mask recipe. Take a bowl, and add in it 2-3 tablespoons of gram flour. You can use colloidal oatmeal instead, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix well. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil, and a bit of lemon juice to the mixture. Pour in around 1/2 teaspoon of milk, to create a creamy consistency. You can add more milk if needed. The final result should be a creamy paste, which is not too watery. If it is, just add some more flour. How to use it? Apply the mask on your clean face for 10 minutes, or until it dries up completely. Wash it off with warm water, moving your fingertips in circular movements, to remove the mask. Use this mask 1-2 times a week. If there is some persistent irritation, discard the mask usage. Another face mask recipe. Take a bowl, and mix in it 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 cup of either raw honey, or aloe vera gel, or full-fat yogurt, or lemon juice, or even fresh cucumber juice. Combine the ingredients, apply the mask to your face, and let it dry up naturally. Rinse off with warm water. If you want to keep the mask on your face for longer, use either full-fat plain yogurt, or honey,